Hey guys, welcome back to Code Orbit, and this is day 12 of doing code courses in the Grandmaster level. And the problem today is translation. The translation from Berlin language into Berlin language is not an easy task. Those languages are very similar. A Berlandish word differs from a Berlandish word with the same meaning a little. It is spelled and pronounced reversely. For example, a Berlandish word code corresponds to Berlandish word e-dog. However, making a mistake during the translation is easy. Wasser translated the word S from Berlandish as T. Help him find out if he translated the word correctly. Okay. And input the first line contains word S, second line contains word T. The words consist of lowercase Latin letters. Input data do not contain unnecessary spaces and words are not empty and their length do not exceed 100 symbols. Okay. So we need to output word T. If the word T is a word S, written reversely, print yes, otherwise print no. Okay, so fair enough. Uh, we will be given a word, let's say from the question code, and we will be given a second word. And if reversing this word, reverse this word matches this word, then we need to output yes or else. And if not, then we need to output no. So yeah, pretty simple guys. Here what we need to do is reverse the uh, string and then check with the second string. If the second string is a reverse of the first string, we will output yes, otherwise no. So what we can do, you can do it I think by two ways. You can either use the reverse function or you can use a for loop. For loop which will start from n minus 1 and go up to 0. Yeah. So yeah, this was it pretty much guys. So now we will like to code this problem out. So yeah, guys, let's do a coding problem. So let's first take two strings as well as two. We'll take their input, and now the first method by reverse function. So what you can do is simply say reverse s1 dot begin and s1 dot end. So what this does, guys, is it reverse the uh, original s1 string. Okay, yeah. And now you just need to check if both are equal. Okay, sorry. I guess we need to add a new line or something. I don't know. And okay, let's just output a new line. Yeah. So this is the first method, I think. And okay, as forward semicolon here. Yeah. And now you can test the uh, test cases. Let's say the first input is code and the output is edoc. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Here is code, edoc, and we need to output yes or no. Okay, so let's see. Yes, you guys can see the test case has been passed. Let's say something different. Let's say mango. And here, let's say we'll go, let's say, yeah, and expected output should be no because we did not write the reverse. Yeah, so this is also there. Now, I think the second method can be, let me just comment it out. Okay, I'm coming this one. Second method by the for loop. Okay, so I think what we can do guys is create an empty string, let's say S3, and we'll iterate for I is equal to, let's say S1 dot size, and since let's say the size of string is minus, let's say it's minus is 5, then we need to start from 4 because string also acts like arrays, and I is greater than equal to 0, and 1 plus I. Okay, and now what we will do is S3 plus equal to S1 of I. And yeah, I forgot to mention the data type that is going to be string. Okay, so yeah, I'm making pretty much mistakes here and there, but I think this is going to be fine. And then we can check if S3 is equal to F2 output yes, or else we can output no. Mm, I think this should work, guys. Let's run both the test cases there again. Okay, something error has been given. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so it was a compiler issue. Never mind, guys. And we can submit both the methods. I guess let's submit this one. We'll copy this code, go here and submit. Okay, so let me just log in pretty quickly. So yeah, now we can submit, guys. Now let's go on submit. Copy paste my whole code and now say submit. Okay, let's see, let's see. Yeah, you guys can see it was completely accepted. And just to show you guys that this method is also correct, I will simply comment it out whole. And now I will submit this one. Okay, just let me check everything is right. Okay, yeah, okay, fine. Now let's submit again. So why I'm showing you guys two methods because yes, it is okay to rely on functions, but we need to know the logic behind it also. So yeah, the second method was of how to reverse using the for loop, and you can also use the simple reverse function. And you can see this is also accepted. And yes, guys, this was it for day 12 of doing code sources. Thank you and bye bye.